before I moved to UAE, I was working for a Dubai-based company, and good morning from Abu Dhabi. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, having a great time and chilling. Those who are watching my video, welcome back. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. Here I make content related to UAE, how to get a job and how the lifestyle in UAE. So today is Monday and I've decided to chill, relax. Didn't go to office, just chilling in the park in Abu Dhabi, relaxing for a bit. So a quick update in my life. I just thought of taking a break today. I didn't feel like going to the work, and this video I'm gonna make it on the topic of how I came to Dubai and how I got a job in Abu Dhabi, how much time it took for me to look for a job and what all process I followed in this journey. Right, let me just give you a quick brief introduction about myself, those who don't know me. My name is Roshan and I was from Mumbai, and I'm in Abu Dhabi since last 1 year, working here in healthcare into accounting and finance. It has been a great journey. How I got a job in Abu Dhabi. Like before I moved to UAE, I was working for a Dubai based company, and after working for 1 year I realized that the work culture and the work pattern is almost the same. Indeed, the work culture is really good here and the salary is great. There is no tax, one of the safest city in the world where you can be. So considering all those facts, I thought of moving abroad, and how I took this journey forward. The first step which I did is I resigned from my current organization, and where I was working for one year for this Dubai based entity. After resigning from that company, I came to UAE. Before looking out for a job, I already had a job which was like, I had spoken to one of my uncle and he had a business in Abu Dhabi. So I was supposed to take care of his business, and that was the job which I already had. So the kind of mental peace I was always having, I will, if I will look for a job, if I don't end up with getting anything, then I always had a backup. So if somebody is planning to move, leaving the job, it's a high risk, because right now market is good, and at the same time there are thousands of people in the country who is looking out for a job, and they are coming from all over different part of the world. So before you leave your current job and then you plan to move, please think twice and do your thorough research, whether is there a job opportunity, the salary which you will be getting, that is sufficient or no. If you want to understand that what is the basic salary which you should be getting to start with in this country to live a basic decent life, you can go and check out my another video which I've already updated, and it's in detail, where I mention what is the cost, what is the salary, what will be your expenses to survive in UAE on a monthly basis. The good thing is that here there is no tax. Whatever salary which will be discussed with you, the entire salary you will get. But the another thing is it's expensive. Those who are staying alone in our own country, in the city like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, maybe they can experience the kind of similar expenses or little high as compared to our country. But those who are staying with the parents, for them it will become little difficult, because the expenses is high, the rent is too high here, and the food expenses, I can say, for me it's more or less the same or little higher compared to India. But like I said, I've been staying alone in my country since last 7-8 years, so I am already experienced the cost of living which I was having in my own country, and the similar kind of expenses you will have here also. So when I moved here, like I said, I always had a job from my uncle, which was the job I was also considering, and then I started applying every day, more than 50, 100 application every day. I used to apply in the morning. I used to get up and then I used to apply on LinkedIn, Naukri Gulf, Bet, Dubizzle. There are a lot of other job portals everywhere. I used to apply left, right, center, and eventually I used to get reply from the companies. Unfortunately, we cannot move ahead. So at least even getting the reply, that gives you another satisfaction that at least your CV is getting reviewed. When you don't receive any reply, that is the concern. So I will say that I was very lucky and fortunate enough that when I moved here in Dubai, within a week I got a call from one consultancy for the job opportunity, and the salary which they offered me was very decent. It was the salary which I expected from back in my country also, that this is the bare minimum salary. If I get, then only I will join any company. So I got more than that only. So I was very fortunate and lucky, I would say myself, because luck also matters a lot. I would say your hard work, your persistence is all okay, but if you are not lucky enough, then I've seen many people, those who have come here, stayed for 2 months, and then ended up getting not even a single job, where they worked, did odd jobs like sales, real estate sales, worked for 15 years, and then they went back again to their country, India, and then when they went back to India, then they got a call. So it's all about luck, that what time will suit you and when you will get a job. So in that process, you don't have to lose your confidence and trust, and you need to be motivated all the time, because every day we feel like, oh, I'm running out of days, I need to get a job quickly. But that doesn't mean you'll end up getting any random jobs. Wait for the right time, wait for the right job, whatever suits you. And initially, if I'll tell you that if the job is good, if they are paying you well, then just join it. Don't think much, don't compare your salary, don't think much. Just join and then work for few months or few years, and then you start looking for another also. At the same time, you can be doing that simultaneously, because once you have got the experience in UAE market, then your CV is picked up very easily. But till the time you don't have any work experience in Dubai or Abu Dhabi, you will be considered as a fresher only. And to the fresher, the first thing is that they don't really encourage to take the fresher on a higher salary. That is number one. Number two, if they want to take fresher, then why they will recruit someone from India? Those who are already in UAE, they will recruit them only. So that is the first step, that you need to come to UAE, then only you will get a job. That is what I believe in. If your talent, if your skills are very niche, then maybe you can get picked up directly from the India also. I've seen many people getting a job directly from India, and company, if you are picked up directly from the India, then company will take care of your visa expenses, flight, everything, and even your accommodation for few months at least they'll provide you. So that is the good thing. But in finance, I don't see that happening, because many people, they are already here. Thousands of people are already staying in UAE and looking for a job. So why they will pick up from our own country? That doesn't make any sense or logic. So come to UAE, apply for a job. Within a week, I got this call from the consultancy. In another 1 week, it took for the interview to be scheduled. The day my interview was done, same day I received offer letter in the evening. So they are that quick. Once they have selected you, then they will issue offer letter immediately. And once I had the offer letter, then I had to go through with all the Emirates ID process, which took another 15 days. I'm gonna make separate video on that how are the Emirate ID process, what all things are there, what all things you need to go through with, what are the chances that your Emirates ID might get rejected. So I'm gonna make separate video on that. And once I had my Emirates ID ready, within another a week it took, because there were other few more colleagues, they were joining with me for this project, and their Emirates ID process was pending. So I can say I joined and I started working within a month. So don't lose hope, be motivated, be confident enough that and always remember that this journey is like, if your interview is getting scheduled today, maybe you'll get offer letter tomorrow, and within 15 days you can start working. There are few companies, they make you start working immediately also without even having Emirates ID, but that is not ethical. I will not recommend you that. But most of the people have done that also, because some of the smaller companies, they make you work on without having Emirates ID, because they don't want another 15 days to go just like that. and they pay you salary in cash initial month, but I have not done it. My company was very reputed, so they will follow all the process till the time you don't have every documents aligned, then only they will let you enter in the premises. So that's what happened with me. And like I said, that within a month I had a job and I'm working here. It's been almost 6-7 months and it's going pretty good. So those who are planning to move abroad, please come to Abu Dhabi, Dubai, look for a job. There are thousands of jobs available here, and at the same time it's one of the best country to stay in, one of the safest, one of the sorted. So yeah, that's the update about my job process and how I moved to UAE. So thank you for watching my video. Those who are new, please like, share and subscribe. I have started my journey newly in Abu Dhabi with the YouTube channel also. Please support me in the initial days. It will give me great confidence and motivate me to make another videos. If you guys want any specific content to be made video upon, then please comment on that so that I'll try to make video on that topic also. Thank you so much.